Hey there, fellow plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of plant care, and we've got a special treat for you, a comprehensive guide on how to care for snake plants, also known as Sansevieria. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a newbie, you're in for some valuable insights. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's get to know our star of the show, the snake plant. With its striking, upright leaves and unique patterns, it's a favorite among indoor plant lovers. But did you know it's also a powerhouse when it comes to air purification? These plants can remove toxins from the air and give you a fresh and clean living space. Before we dive into care specifics, remember that snake plants come in various varieties, each with its own leaf shape, color, and size. Now, let's talk about how to keep these beauties thriving. When it comes to lighting, snake plants are quite versatile. They can tolerate low to bright indirect light, but they'll do best in moderate or bright indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight, as it can scorch their leaves. Now, let's chat about watering. Snake plants are known for their drought tolerance, so it's better to underwater than overwater. Allow the soil to dry out completely between waterings. During winter, you can reduce watering even more. Remember, the quickest way to kill a snake plant is by overwatering. Make sure the pot has drainage holes, and if you're unsure, stick your finger in the soil. If it's dry an inch or so deep, it's time to water. Choosing the right soil is crucial. Go for a well-draining mix, like cactus or succulent soil. These plants don't like to sit in soggy soil, so aeration is key. Your snake plant grows, you might need to repot it every few years. Choose a pot that's just slightly larger than the current one, and repot during the growing season, which is spring or early summer. Regular maintenance keeps your snake plant looking its best. Trim any yellow or dead leaves at the base, using clean and sharp pruning shears. Every once in a while, wipe the leaves with a damp cloth to keep them dust-free and allow them to breathe. And here's a bonus tip, snake plants can handle a bit of neglect, making them perfect for busy individuals or frequent travelers. And there you have it, complete care guide for your snake plants. From lighting and watering to soil and maintenance, these stunning plants can thrive with a little attention and love. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Happy plant parenting, and until next time, keep those snake plants flourishing.